Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's start. त्याच्याकडे खूप धाडस आहे. He has much more courage. He has much more courage. आम्ही आमच्या मुलांसाठी सर्व काही केले. We did everything for the sake of our children. We did everything for the sake of our children. तो खेळता खेळता घसरला. He slipped while playing. He slipped while playing. मी उद्या माझ्या मित्रांसोबत फिरायला जाणार. I'll hang out with my friends tomorrow. I'll hang out with my friends tomorrow. तू माझा फोन कट का केलास? Why did you hang up my phone? Why did you hang up my phone? मॅच आत्ता संपली आहे. Match has got over right now. Match has got over right now. मी माझे प्रेझेंटेशन मीटिंगच्या अगोदर डबल चेक केले. I double checked my presentation before the meeting. I double checked my presentation before the meeting. मला वाटतं माझं स्वप्न कायम स्वप्नच राहील. I think my dream will always remain a dream. I think my dream will always remain a dream. पावसामुळे ती कॉलेजला गेली नाही. She didn't go to college due to rain. She didn't go to college due to rain. तुझे प्रोफेशन काय? What's your profession? What's your profession? मी तो प्रस्ताव स्वीकारला नाही. I didn't accept that proposal. I didn't accept that proposal. जर ते माझ्या हातात असते तर मी केले असते. If it were in my hands, I would have done. If it were in my hands, I would have done. उगीचच त्रास करून घेऊ नको. Don't get disturbed unnecessarily. Don't get disturbed unnecessarily. यश सोमवारी येईल का? Will यश come on Monday? Will यश come on Monday? त्याचे नाव काय आहे? What is his name? What is his name? Like, share and subscribe.